In this video, I will show you how to fix network connection error in Infinity Nikki, so make sure to watch the video until the very end. First, go to any browser and then search for Infinity Nikki server status, so make sure the server is not down for everyone. If the server is down, then you need to wait for some time and check the server. Simply go to the Infinity Nikki Discord official page, then go to the news channel. In the news, they will update about the service. So if the server is down for everyone, you need to wait for some time, then try again. But if the server is up, the next thing you make sure is that you have a strong network connection or the Wi-Fi speed test is not that much strong, then you will be facing the issue. So as the next thing is check your internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is not that much slow. So if the internet connection is also good and you're still facing the issue, then switch your network connection. So for example, you are connecting with the Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data, or if you are connected with the mobile data, then switch to Wi-Fi, then try again. So switch your network connection, and once you switch the network connection, then try again and check whether the issue is fixed or not. So the next thing you need to do is to turn off firewall on your device, and so press Windows plus R button from your keyboard, open the control panel and enter the control panel in the search bar. You need to search for the Window Defender firewall, and once you open the Window Defender firewall, you need to select the turn on and off Window Defender firewall. You need to turn off the Window Defender firewall. Once you turn off in the bottom, you will be able to see the OK button. So click on it and make sure that you have saved the changes that you made. So these are some of the best solutions if you are getting the network issue in the new Infinity Nikki game. And that's it, you are done.